Morning guys, this morning I've got a little walnut liner that I've just rolled, ready for another little ring that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap this with the outer with some ebony, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. I don't know why I always do this standing up. I should get a chair really, but you know, it's being a bit lazy. So I'm doing it standing up. Right, so okay, so I've got that little bit nicely feathered down there. So I'm just going to check this is going to wrap round. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this one round twice, so that we've got like 3 layers going round, make it a bit thinner as it were, I suppose, a bit of a thinner band. Let's try that today and see how we go. Sometimes, like if I'm doing an inlay or something like that, if I know I'm doing an inlay, I'll do it 4, I'll wrap it, sorry, it'll be 4 altogether, so that'd be 3 on the outside, just so I've got enough room for sanding and stuff like that. But today I'm going for 2 on the wrap round plus the liner, so that makes 3. Okay. Sometimes ebony it splits a little bit, but that's just life. Macassar ebony's funny old stuff sometimes, but you know, especially this piece, it might be a little bit dry actually, to be fair, because it's an offcut I've had sitting on the side for a little while. Just thought I'd get it used. So it's just feathering out the edges so it wraps okay. This is where you get like sanded down end of your thumb. Sometimes it bleeds, which you don't want if you're using a light wood, but that's when a bit of masking tape comes in handy to wrap around the end of your thumb really, or something similar. I think that'll do. Go a little bit more. I'll feather it down a little bit once it's on there anyway, but right, so okay, let's get some glue. Right, okay, so I've got the end glued on there. I find the best way to do this, if you've got the inside packets to a cereal pack, this plastic, it's HDPE, and super glue doesn't stick to that. So what I normally do is glue that, and then I just use that, run it around the top and hold it there, and this won't stick to the super glue, and obviously it saves your fingers from sticking to the super glue too, which is even better. And I've gone and got a chair. Now my glue's not coming out because the end of the pot's got a bit gummed up. Look, I'll stick a cocktail stick in there, reopen that back up a little bit. Get another one. So ebony can be a little bit of a funny wood, but it's all good really, it's all good. I'm assuming you guys are finding this interesting, I really don't know, but you know, it's nice to see sometimes, you know, how things are made. So that's why I'm doing a few of these little videos, to be honest, because it's all well and good seeing the end product, but you know, it's like sometimes I see things and I'm like, wow, I wonder how that's made. And that's like can be with anything really, you know. You can wonder how anything's made. So but this is Bentwood veneer. This is all 0.6mm thickness veneer. You can go thinner, and some woods you might want to go thinner, because some woods can be a real pain to bend sometimes. But I find the best woods really are like walnut. It's one of my favourite ones. That bends lovely, and it always finishes up really nice as well. Walnut, maple's another one that's really good. Sapele, that bends really nice as well. That's a lovely wood to work with. And they're about the main ones really. Some of them can be a little bit pain. Rosewood's pretty good actually. That's not too bad. But stuff like Padug, that can be a bit hit and miss on that. Sometimes that can be a bit splitty and stuff like that. It's just the way it goes with different woods. You just got to find ways that work. Sometimes it takes steaming them for a little bit longer. Other times just a slightly thinner veneer will do it, you know. So it's just the way it goes. But yeah, I just thought I'd video me doing this today, or this morning. I've dropped the kids off at school. I've had to drop the wife off at school, at work as well. The car failed its MOT like last week, so we're down to one car at the moment until we can get that fixed. It needs a load of welding done and stuff like that. And it's not, you know, it's just because of where we live out in the country, and we're near the sea as well, so you got the salt in the air. Just corrodes things a little bit, but that's the price you pay for living somewhere like we do, to be honest. Right, this is getting there now. I don't know if it's going to be perfect, but it's getting there. I posted up a Throwback Thursday on my Instagram today. You should go check it out. It was quite funny at the time. I mean, I took a picture of this picture that was in a toilet in a cafe. This woman, and she's got like spoons on her head and forks around her neck, and teacups on her chest, and I thought it was quite funny. So I thought I'd you know, try and reenact it as it were, and do a photo of me doing it. And it took me ages. I was sellotaping forks to my head and around my neck and stuff like that, and I just couldn't stop laughing, and it took me ages to get the photo. But if you want to check the photo out, go onto my Instagram and have a look. It is quite funny. It'll give you a laugh anyway. Right, next bit. God, this pot of glue's been a pain this morning. It's the trouble when you get a pot of glue and you're using it all the time, and it just gets a little bit gunked up. I'll clear it. I'll get a knife and I'll clear the actual nozzle. Because what tends to happen is it all gums up around here. You can see it, and then it gums up in the top. But what I'll do is I'll get a knife and I'll just pop that. It's like a almost like a cover that you end up with, but that will just pop off with a knife. You just flick it off, and then now you would be left with a nice clean nozzle again. Sometimes it takes a bit of time. Sometimes you've got to be careful, because I've done it before. I've gone like that and gone straight through the nozzle and taken sort of half the nozzle off with it, but well, that's life. You live and learn, people. You live and learn. getting there now, guys. Slowly. As I say, this last little bit here, what I'll do is I'll glue it and then I'll run that round with this bit of HDP from a cereal packet. I've got loads of this stuff now, and then you can just hold it there and it won't stick to it and just put it straight off, and you ain't got to worry about getting your fingers stuck to it and then pulling your finger off and half the veneer comes off with it and stuff like that, you know. You'll learn this along the way. Must get out skating again soon. I haven't been out for a few days and kind of need to skate. Well, I've been skating every day, but I haven't been out skating properly, what I call properly. I'm skating in the back garden. We've got like a little ramp and rail and stuff out there. It's quite good fun actually, to be fair. But hey ho. I'm gonna pull this camera up because I'm I'm sick of going like this. Right, I keep looking over here because that's where my screen is. I'm not looking in the lens, which is over here. So that's why my eyes wander that way, because I'm looking at the screen, seeing what you guys can see. Right, we're getting there now, guys. We're getting there now. Getting there now. Just this last little piece, and then we're done. Put that under there. Boom. I don't take things too seriously, guys. Right, wrap that on there. You see my blooming washing behind me, can't you? I'll do this here because it's just the lighting's a lot better here, and you get to see my funky kitchen cupboards. I forget the name of it now. My wife done it. It was with paper and you use like Mod Podge on it. I can't remember what it's called. Some of you guys will know what it is. Right, so look, I've stuck that on there, just held my hand on it, and look, that'll just peel straight off. And you're left with that. Nice clean little blank there. I'll take that off in a minute. I ain't looking too bad to be fair. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I might just leave it plain, or because ebony looks really nice with the glossy CA finish on. It looks really deep and sort of classy, as it were. But I might put an inlay in it. I've got some more blue goldstone, which looks really nice. It's like a little bit glittery in it. I don't know whether to do a band of that through this or not yet. I really don't know. We'll see. I could add a bit of skateboard deck to the edge or something like that, maybe, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. I've just got this next to me actually. This little board here. I actually made this little fingerboard. Pretty cool. She made this, put the graphic on it and everything. Friend of mine, you should go check out her Instagram, YouTube channel actually, Ticopo, Ticopo. She made me some really cool molds to make these with, which were like 3D printed, and they're fantastic. They work really, really well. So you guys go check her out, because she makes some really cool rings, you know, and yeah, some cool jewelry as well. So yeah, go give her a check out, and yeah, say I sent you. Right, okay guys, right, so what I'm going to do, I'll pull this off, because what I've done, I wrapped the masking tape like backwards, so it's sticky side out, so that what you can do, you should be able to just pull this off of here now really easy. Just slides off, so you end up with the masking tape in the centre, and then easily, don't yank this out, because you stand a chance sometimes if it sticks a bit well to the masking tape, it can pull the veneer. Just pull it off one side and then gently round like that. There you have it. One little, let's get a bit closer, ebony and walnut blank. Just needs sanding up, and yeah, we'll see what happens with this one. I'm not too sure at the moment, but I'll probably post another video and let you know how this one gets on, and I'll also obviously post a picture of the final one onto Instagram at some point. So okay guys, I just thought I'd just do a quick little one this morning. What's today? Thursday. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, leave a comment below, and check out the Instagram. Okay guys, take care, bye.